Namaste. Welcome to first PU Maths online class. We were discussing the chapter trigonometry. Already we have studied many formulas. Okay, today using that formulas we will solve some problems. Find the values of the trigonometric functions First one, sine 765 degree. Here we have to use the formula sine 765 degree. Here first we can write this as sine 765 degree. How can we write? Here for suppose this is a unit circle, for one complete revolution it takes 2 pi radian. That means 360 degree. On the rotation, on the revolution here 360 degree. Okay. Here we have 765 means 360 degree. Puna idu innondu round barabeku. Okay. Here again 360 plus 360 ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯಿತು 720 ಆಯಿತು. Then 765 somewhere here. Okay, so we have ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ 2n pi ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು? ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೈನ್ 2n pi ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ n here? Where n belongs to z. ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈಯ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪೈಯ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಂದು ಸೈನೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 2n pi ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, 2 ಪೈಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೊಟೇಷನ್, ಅದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 2n pi ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೌ sine 765 degree. 765 degree can be splitted as here 2 pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 360 degree. 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್? 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲಿ? 360 into 2. ಓಕೆ, 360 into 2 is 720. That is the nearest value. So 720 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, sine of 765 can be splitted as 720 plus 45. Now using that formula, sine 2n pi plus x is equal to sin x. So this is equal to x means ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ 2 pi plus x, x ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪುನಃ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ 2 ಪೈಯ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 720 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ 45? ಸೈನ್ 45 ಈಸ್ 1/√2. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, sine of 1125 degree. here 1125 degree. How can we write? Sine of 1125 degree, it can be splitted as sine of 1125 ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ 360 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್? 360 ಇಂಟು 1 360, 2 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 720, 360 ಇಂಟು 3 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 0, 1080. So that is the nearest value here. 1080 degree plus ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1125 ಇರೋದು, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 45 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. So sin 2n pi plus x is sin x, sin 45, this is equal to 1 by root 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 45 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. cos of minus 1710 degree. Here cos of minus 1710 degree, how can we split here? It can be written as, again search nearest multiple of 360. 360 nearest multiple ಹುಡುಕಿ. 360 ಇಂಟು 3 ಆದರೆ 1080 ಬರೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೀಗ 360 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ಅಥವಾ 1440 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 360 ಇಂಟು 2 740, 740 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 740 1440. ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಉಂಟೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ 360 ಇಂಟು 5. n is integer, okay? You can take any value, plus or minus is okay. What is the value? 0, 30, 18, 1800. So see here we have minus, ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. minus 1800 degree, because big value, big number is negative, we have to take negative because we have minus sign here. 1800 ಆದರೆ 710 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what we have to do? plus 90, plus 90 minus 1800 plus 90 is same as 1710 degree. This is equal to, same formula we have to apply here. Cos of 2n pi plus x is equal to cos x, where n belongs to z. n belongs to z. So here n is integer, so cos 2n pi plus x is equal to cos x, that is cos 90 degree. What is the value of cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degree is 0. So the value of cos of minus 1710 degree is 0. Next one, fourth one, cosec minus 1410 degree. Here cosec minus 1410 degree. How can we split? Can you do now? Find the nearest multiple. 1410. Na? Nearest multiple of 360. See 360 into 2, 720. 720 plus 720 means 1440. Here we have 1410. So that is the nearest value. Here we have minus. So put minus sign. Minus 1440. We have here 1410. So we have minus 1440. We have to add 30 degree. ಇದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು cosec here sin 2n pi plus x is equal to sin x. Similar result hold for cosec also. Cosec 2n pi plus x is equal to cosec x. So it can be written as cosec 30 degree. Okay. Now this is equal to cosec 30 degree. What is the value? What is sin 30? Sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Reciprocal of this is cosec x. So cosec 30 is equal to 2. Okay, next one. Fifth one, tan 19 pi divided by 3. Here tan 19 pi by 3. Here ಇಷ್ಟರ್ಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ angle is given in terms of radian. Okay, here we have say 19 pi, correct? We have to split this one using 2 pi plus x ಅಂದರೆ tan of 2n pi plus x ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Here or we can write nearest 3ಯ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. 19 we have, what is the nearest multiple? We have 18, correct? 3ಯ nearest multiple is 18. 18 pi plus pi, correct? Now we have 19 pi by 3. So it can be splitted as 18 pi plus pi divided by 3. What is this is equal to? 3 6 so 6 pi plus pi by 3. 19 pi by 3 can be splitted as 6 pi plus here tan of 6 pi plus pi by 3. This is equal to tan of 6 pi plus pi by 3. Tan 2n pi plus x is equal to tan x, that is tan pi by 3. Here ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಾದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. 18 plus pi is 19 pi. So tan 2n pi plus x is equal to tan x. What is this equal to? Tan pi by 3 value is to tan pi by 3 means this is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is root 3. You should remember that standard table. Tan pi by 3 value is root 3. Next one. Sine of minus 11 pi divided by 3. Here sine of 11 pi by 3, how can we split here? This is equal to see now, sine of, we have 11 here. What is the nearest multiple? Ishtapu beku antilla, just I am writing here 11 pi by 3. It can be written as nearest multiple is minus 12 pi, correct? 12 is the nearest value. Andre illi 11 pi by 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ pi by 3 is the standard angle. We have to split this one in terms of 2n pi plus x. That x should be standard angle. Minus 11 we have here, nearest multiple is minus 12 plus 1. That means plus pi divided by 3. What is this is equal to? Minus 12 by 3 is minus 4 pi plus pi by 3. We can split like this. So sine of minus 4 pi plus pi by 3. What is this equal to? See, we can verify. LCM tegdre 3 into 4 minus 12 plus pi is minus 11 pi by 3. What is this is equal to? Sine of pi by 3. Sine pi by 3. What is the value? Sine pi by 3 is sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Next problem. Cot of minus 15 pi divided by 4. This is equal to cot of, how can we write? Can you say now? Minus 15 pi by 4. Minus 15 pi by 4. What is this equal to? Minus 15 pi by 4. It can be splitted as, what is the nearest multiple of 4? 15 in the nearest multiple. That is 16, right? Minus 16 pi plus pi divided by 4. How can we write? 16 by 4 is 4. We have minus 4 pi plus pi by 4. What is this equal to? Cot of 2n pi plus x equal to cot x, that is cot pi by 4. What is the value? Cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 is 1. Okay. Next problem. Sine of sine of 31 pi by 3. Now this is equal to, how can we split here? Sine of 31 pi by 3. Here 31 pi by 3 can be splitted as, nearest multiple 3 adu 30. 30 pi plus pi, 30 plus 1 is 31 divided by 3. 30 by 3 is 10. 10 pi plus pi by 3. So, this is equal to sin 2n pi plus x is equal to sin x, that is sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3. What is the value sin pi by 3? Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Next problem. Cos of 5 pi by 6. How can we write? Cos of 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 can be written as ಇಲ್ಲಿ. How can we split here? ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಾದರೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು. 5 ನ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 6ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 6, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 6 pi ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 6 pi minus pi is same as 5 pi divided by 6. So 6 pi by 6 remaining is pi minus pi by 6. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. If you want you can write in bracket 5 pi by 6 can be written as 6 pi minus pi by 6, that is same as 6 pi by 6 is pi minus pi by 6. This is ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಅನ್ನು allied angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. We have to here write or we have to split using standard angles. Pi minus pi by 6. Now we have the formula cos of pi minus pi by 6. What is the formula we have? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಆಗದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. cos of pi minus x. What is the value or what is the formula for cos of pi minus x? Cos of pi minus x is equal to, here if you know the answer directly you can write. We have first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, now in the first quadrant 0 to pi by 2. Okay, what is the value in the first quadrant? Pi by 2 minus x. Second quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 plus x. Here we have 180 degree or pi. Pi minus theta is in second quadrant. Pi plus x or theta, that is in third quadrant. Here again we have 2 pi after one complete rotation. 2 pi minus x is in fourth quadrant. 2 pi plus x is in first quadrant. Now pi minus x. Pi minus x is in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, what is the sign of cos? Second quadrant, cos is negative. All are positive. Sin is positive. Tan is positive. Cos is positive. Remember this and quadrants. Okay, we can write any formula. No need to by heart. Cos of pi minus x. Pi minus x is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. If here we have multiple of pi or 2 pi, multiple of pi to pi a multiple idre cos remains cos, so the value is minus cos x. Pi by 2 in a multiple idre, for example cos pi by 2 minus x ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು sin x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. pi by 2 ವಿನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ sin ಇದ್ದರೆ cos ಆಗ್ತದೆ, cos ಇದ್ದರೆ sin ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If it is multiple of pi, this remains same. Okay, already we have derived this. Now cos of pi minus x is minus cos x, so minus cos pi by 6. What is the value? Minus cos pi by 6 value is to cos pi by 6 is cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Okay. Next problem. This is important. Prove that first one, sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is important. Okay, 2 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. We have to prove that. Let us take LHS. Okay, what is LHS? Sin square pi by 6 means what? Here it can be written as sin pi by 6 square. Okay, plus this is also cos pi by 3 square minus tan of pi by 4 square of this one. What is the value? Direct standard values we have. What is sin pi by 6? Sin pi by 6 is sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square plus cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 cos 60 degree, again 1 by 2 square minus tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is tan 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1 square. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. This is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತೆಗೆದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. ನೋ ನೀಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 we know half. Half minus 1 is minus half. So this is same as RHS. This is same as minus 1 by 2. Direct ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ minus 1 by 2. We can stop here. If you write LHS, we have to write RHS also. LHS is equal to RHS. Second problem. Same, prove that square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 divided by 2. See, sin 2 left hand side 2 into sin square pi by 6. Sin square pi by 6 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ sin pi by 6 square. What is sin pi by 6? Sin pi by 6 value is, that is sin 30 degree 1 by 2 square, or as in the previous problem ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು sin pi by 6 square same as sin square pi by 6 plus cosec 7 pi by 6 square into cos pi by 3 square. This is equal to 2 into sin pi by 6 is sin 30, that is 1 by 2 square plus cosec 7 pi by 6. Let us find out the value. Cosec 7 pi by 6. How can we write? Cosec 7 pi by 6 can be written as cosec. How can we write 7? Here we have 6. So in terms of 6, it can be split as pi plus pi by 6. Andre 6 pi plus pi. Hope you got that. Okay, allied angles pi plus theta ಅಥವಾ pi by 2 plus theta formally ಬರೆಯುವುದು. 7 pi by 6 can be written as 6 pi plus pi by 6. 6 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, pi plus pi by 6. Now cosec pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus x means third quadrant. In the third quadrant, both sin and cos values are negative. So cosec also negative. So minus cosec pi by 6 minus cosec pi by 6. What is the value of cosec pi by 6? Cosec pi by 6 is cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree is 2. So the value here minus 2 square into cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 square. This is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 plus 2 square is 4 into 1 by 4. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus 4 cancels 1, that is equal to 3 by 2. This is same as right hand side. Next problem. Prove that, third one, cos square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 pi by 6. Prove that is equal to 6. Now cot pi by 6. What is the value of cot pi by 6? If you know directly, you can write. Okay, LHS is equal to cot pi by 6 value. That means cot 30 degree. Okay, direct ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ sin cos. Anyways, we know that cot can be written as cos by sin. Cos 30 degree divided by sin 30 degree. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So value is root 3 square plus cosec 5 pi by 6. What is the value? I think we have done already. Cosec 5 pi by 6 can be written as cosec 5 pi can be written as 6 pi minus pi by 6, because using standard angle we have to split. So cosec pi minus pi by 6. Okay, so this is equal to cosec, here cosec pi minus x. Pi minus x is in second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive, so cosec also positive. So cosec remains cosec positive, so pi by 6. What is cosec pi by 6? Cosec pi by 6 is 2. So here, let me verify the question. Cosec pi by 6. Okay, that is 2 plus 3 into tan square pi by 6. What is tan pi by 6? Tan pi by 6 value is sin by cos. So that is 1 by root 3. Here 1 by root 3 square we have. So square. This is equal to root 3 square and root cancels. 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by root 3 square, that is 3, root cancels here, correct? 3 into 1 by 3, it also cancels. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, this is 6, this is same as right hand side. Next we have one more problem, similar type. Prove that 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3, this is equal to 10. Let us take LHS. LHS equal to 2 into sin 3 pi by 4. How can we write? Sin 3 pi by 4. It can be written as sin 3 pi by 4 can be splitted as, hope you know, you can write directly. 3 can be written as, in terms of 4 bariyudadre, 4 pi minus pi by 4. Okay, 4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್? ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4. ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4 is sin pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus x means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is positive. So sin pi minus x is sin x. So sin pi by 4. What is the value of sin pi by 4? That is 1 by root 2. Let us substitute here. 1 by root 2 square plus 2 into, what is cos pi by 4? Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 square plus 2 into secant square pi by 3. What is secant pi by 3? That is secant 60 degree. Secant is reciprocal of cos. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So secant 60 is 2. Square we have. So 2 square. This is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2 plus 2 into root 2 square is 2 plus 2 into 2 square is 4. This is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 8. This is equal to 10. This is same as right hand side. Okay. Try some problem yourself. Find the values of the following. First one, cosec minus 1050 degree, cos 1350 degree, cosec minus 1770 degree, 4 sin of minus 1710 degree. Okay, here you can use the formula sin 2n pi plus x equal to sin x, or cos 2n pi plus x is equal to cos x formula. Okay, try this. Thank you.